Welcome to the Data Analytics Gen AI Mastery Program. This professional certification series, in collaboration with Baroda Institute of Technology, IIT Patna, Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation, and IBM, is designed to make you a job-ready data analyst. India is experiencing a data revolution, and the demand for skilled analysts is surging. The projected market growth is 6 times its current size, reaching $21 billion by 2030. Analytics roles are crucial in BFSI, e-commerce, healthcare, and more. The demand for data and AI jobs is exploding, with over 11 million opportunities projected by 2026. Currently, there are more than 50,000 active monthly openings in India, concentrated in major hubs like Bengaluru, Pune, and Hyderabad. Your earning potential in this field scales quickly. Proficiency in the technical stack, such as SQL, Python, and Tableau, can boost your base pay by 30 to 40%. Triple certification also commands higher starting offers. We offer 3 learning tracks. The bootcamp is a 3-month foundational track. The masterclass is a 6-month path, adding pro skills and Gen AI. The full stack track is a 9-month end-to-end program, including advanced AI tools and capstone projects. The bootcamp focuses on foundational skills like Excel, SQL, and Tableau. The masterclass adds advanced Python and Snowflake. The full stack track offers end-to-end data engineering skills, including big data, real-time processing, and MLOps. The learning journey timeline visualizes the structure. The bootcamp takes 3 to 4 months. The masterclass takes 6 months, incorporating core skills, Python, cloud, and Gen AI. The full stack track is 9 months, including advanced engineering and placement preparation. The bootcamp track covers 5 intensive modules. You will master advanced Excel, Excel with visualization, SQL database, and choose between Tableau or Power BI to build foundational data analysis skills. The masterclass track includes all bootcamp modules, plus 4 advanced components. You will gain expertise in Python programming, Python data analytics, Snowflake cloud data warehousing, and fundamental generative AI applications. The full stack track is the most comprehensive pathway. It includes all masterclass components, plus advanced statistics and machine learning, Apache Spark for big data, generative AI integration, ETL tools, and a capstone project. Module 1 focuses on the foundation layer, Excel and visualization. You will master advanced formulas, pivot tables, and data cleaning. Key outcomes include automated reporting, KPI dashboard design, and strong data storytelling skills. Module 2 covers the core analytics layer, databases, SQL, and Tableau. You will master writing complex SQL queries, different types of joins, and data manipulation. You will also create dynamic, interactive dashboards in Tableau. Module 3 introduces Power BI analytics and Python fundamentals. You will learn data modeling and DAX functions in Power BI, alongside basic Python syntax, data structures, and control flow for automated logic. Module 4 dives into data engineering and analysis, focusing on Python with data analytics and Snowflake. You will master Pandas and NumPy for fast data wrangling, and learn to manage scalable cloud storage with Snowflake. The full stack track introduces advanced tools. This includes Apache Spark for big data processing, a modern ETL stack with tools like Alteryx and Fivetran, and a Gen AI toolkit featuring Pandas AI, Julius AI, and Claude AI. Generative AI is a new module transforming analytics. It enables text-to-SQL and AutoViz, offering a 10x speed increase in productivity. Key applications include automated reports, code generation, and enhanced forecasting accuracy. The difference between traditional and AI-powered analytics is significant. Traditional workflows take 5 to 7 days due to manual data cleaning and coding. AI-powered workflows are 70% faster, taking only 1 to 2 days, with low human effort focused on strategy. The Placement Report 2026 shows our success with over 10,000 alumni placed at top global and Indian companies. We have over 500 hiring partners and maintain a 92% placement rate. Your journey from training to job offer follows a structured roadmap. After skills building and portfolio development, placement preparation includes resume and mock interviews, leading to corporate drives and a final job offer. Our success metrics dashboard shows a 92% current placement rate and a 4.8 average student satisfaction rating. Alumni see strong salary progression from 3.5 lakhs entry level to over 18 lakhs at the senior level. Visualize your career progression, starting as a data analyst, moving to a business or BI analyst, and finally becoming an analytics manager. Specialized tracks include marketing analyst, product analyst, and junior data scientist. This e-commerce sales optimization case study used a full-stack approach. By implementing Python EDA and Power BI dashboards, the business achieved a 12% conversion rate increase and reduced return rates by 8%. In financial services, we addressed delayed risk assessment. The solution involved building an automated ETL pipeline and Power BI dashboards, resulting in 70% faster reporting and improved forecast accuracy by 15%. In healthcare, we tackle high readmission rates. By building a predictive machine learning model and deploying Tableau Visual Analytics, we reduced readmissions by 25% and increased bed utilization by 18%. For retail and e-commerce, the focus is on growth. Implementing RFM segmentation and SQL-based inventory forecasting led to an 18% increase in conversion rate and 22% growth in revenue. In manufacturing, we leveraged IoT sensor data and predictive ML to achieve $2 million in annual savings and 40% less downtime by predicting equipment failures 48 hours in advance. Our program drives real transformations. Career switchers, like a support engineer transitioning to a data analyst, see an average salary hike of 50 to 70%, successfully moving into high-impact analytics roles. Choose this program for unmatched credibility with triple brand power, job-ready projects, Gen AI integration, and dedicated career support. Tap into the high market demand with our modern, flexible curriculum. Our success stories confirm the program's value. Learners praise the hands-on projects, intuitive Python modules, and the credibility offered by the triple certification, leading to successful placements at top firms like Deloitte.